I really like Klezmer a lot. I just think it's like the coolest thing ever, and I'm so jealous when I go to Klezmer concerts, and I realize that I have absolutely no musical abilities or knowledge. I don't know how to use an instrument any. I wish that I did, and this is the reason why, which is because it's like, if it's good klezmer, if it's like the New England Conservatory Band or like, you know, whatever, like there's tons of stuff, but I just like, it's so soulful if it's good, and I like just gush over it, like really do, which a lot of people do. I just wish I had more access to it. I wish I like was endowed with that language. It's soulful. It's just really, really soulful, and there's something that's really emotionally relatable about it, which could be me romanticizing that genre of music and that history, or it could be revealing of my like intention of like really wanting to like have, you know, an identity. So I'm just gonna like, you know, pretend like I have some connection to klezmer, but actually like I have this really, you know, just guttural reaction to it. Like I feel like I know how to move to the music, which can't be said for every musical genre, you know, like disco, I'm totally lost on disco, and like house music, you know, what, I don't, but like actually, the first time I heard klezmer, which I don't even remember when that was, I was like, ugh, like what is this, you know, this is so powerful.